Yeah, we can't start them if it's below 15 degrees, or we have to keep them running continuously so that they stay running.
I'm looking at these surface leaks on the others. You know, that's the crossbar.
Literally every 2 hours we have to do a full inspection on every machine to make sure they don't run out of like oil or gas or something. That means somebody has to be there. It's like 2 hours. Go there for 2 hours. Next guy comes for the next 2 hours.
Hey everybody, Joel here. So just wanted to say a couple items about this video. So I took this at work as Castle Rock, Colorado. We're doing a turnout replacement on a main line. And I just wanted to get some video just to show you guys what it's like. Many of you maybe have done some model railroading in the past and had a train set and how fun it was to build the tracks and, you know, make the bridges and put sidings in and have turnouts and switches and things like that as a child. Well, maybe even some of you as an adult are doing that also. And it's a lot of fun. So it's kind of neat. I have a very unique job where I work for a Class 1 railroad and I get to see this sort of stuff all the time. I work in the signaling department and it's a lot of fun. A lot of heavy equipment. And just from my childhood, I always dreamed of working with heavy equipment, but working around heavy equipment is pretty fun also. I've got an electrical background, so it kind of fits in with the signaling department. But yeah, just wanted to give you a little bit of an insight. There was not much talking during this video or any explanation, just for you to watch them, how they pull out a track and how they dig up the ballast, dig up the roadbed. And I left the job site too early, but then they come in with those big loaders and they'll dump ballast back in over the rails, over the new panels that were put in. And then they bring in what's called a regulator and what do we call them? oh, what the heck do we call them? They're a surfacing crew. They come in with a track lifter and a regulator. Regulator kind of spreads the rock around a little bit. Track lifter will lift the track up and vibrate. It's kind of a tamper, call it a tamper too, and it'll vibrate it and get the ballast really set in nice and tight underneath the ties, the wood ties, and that's quite a process. So maybe I'll get some video of that in a future one and put that on here. But again, just wanted to show you a little bit of how it goes. This was done in approximately 4 to 5 hours, tearing out the old, putting in the new, and having it surfaced and ready for a train to come through. And then they run a few trains over it at a controlled speed before they put high-speed traffic, just to test everything out, get things settled in, see how it feels, and then it's ready for mainline track speed, whatever the timetable says for that area. But anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. I'll try to get some more on in the future.